Next question on issue of debentures. Hira Limited purchased a diamond cutting machine from Panna Limited for rupees 1,10,000. Okay, so it is purchase of a machine by Hira Limited. Hira Limited issues 9% debentures of face value rupees 100 each to Panna Limited in full consideration. इसका मतलब कैश में पेमेंट नहीं किया है. So this is a question of issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. मतलब कोई चीज ली और उसके बदले में डिबेंचर्स इशू कर दिए, कैश पेमेंट नहीं किया. गिव एंट्रीज इफ डिबेंचर्स वर इशूड एट पॉइंट नंबर 1 par, पॉइंट नंबर 2 10% प्रीमियम और पॉइंट नंबर 3 12% डिस्काउंट. सो सबसे पहले क्या एंट्री होगी? First of all, do the entry for purchase of the asset. So the first entry which will be common in all the cases is, so you can say this is the entry number 0, common for everyone. Machinery is purchased. If you would have purchased the machinery for cash, what would have been the entry? Machinery account debit to cash. If you would have purchased it for credit, machinery account debit to vendor's account. So here also machinery account debit to vendor's account because machinery is ultimately purchased in credit. So machinery account debit to Panna Limited. That is vendor's account. Being machinery purchased from Panna Limited will be your narration. Being machinery purchased from Panna Limited, you can also write the amounts in narration for rupees 1,10,000. So this is the entry number. I have numbered it at 0, common for all. Now, first case. Give entries if debentures were issued at par. Okay. So, what is the face value of the debenture? It is rupees 100. So, 100 का 100 में ही issue किया. Then what will be the entry? You are paying the vendor now. So, vendor's account debit, that is Panna Limited account debit. To 9% debentures account. %9 debentures account. And what will be the amount? Same, 1,10,000. How will you calculate the number of shares? Number of debentures. This is the question of debentures. So, see, what is the consideration? What was the formula? Number of debentures is equal to purchase consideration upon nominal value if it is at par. So, what is the purchase consideration? It is 1,10,000 divided by nominal value. That is, nominal value is 100 rupees per debenture. So, how many debentures are you issuing in total? 1,100 debentures. 1,100 debentures into 100 that you have issued. Now, the second case, when you are issuing the debentures at 10% premium. So, what will be your entry? You are paying to the vendor. So, vendor's account debit here. That is Panna Limited account debit. To 9% debentures. And to सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम अकाउंट. Always remember, securities premium is a sort of profit and discount is a sort of loss. So debit the expenses or losses, discount को करोगे debit and securities premium profit उसको करना credit. Okay? अब इसमें नरेशन क्या होगा, उससे पहले हम नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स भी कैलकुलेट करते हैं और अमाउंट भी देखते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ, आई एम अगेन सेइंग नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स, एक्चुअली इट इज डिबेंचर्स. डिबेंचर्स का क्वेश्चन है. सो नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स इज इक्वल टू परचेज कंसिडरेशन अपॉन नॉमिनल वैल्यू माइनस डिस्काउंट और प्लस प्रीमियम, जैसा भी कंडीशन हो. सो द परचेज कंसिडरेशन इज 1,10,000. नॉमिनल वैल्यू कितना है 100 एंड व्हाट इज द प्रीमियम 10% प्रीमियम ऑन 100 दैट इज 10. ओके, सो 1,10,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 110 दैट कम्स अप टू 1000 डिबेंचर्स. ओके, सो 1000 डिबेंचर्स हो जाएंगे एंड पन्ना लिमिटेड 1,10,000 से डेबिट हो जाएगी टू 9% डिबेंचर्स. सी 1000 डिबेंचर्स ऑफ द फेस वैल्यू 100, सो 1000 डिबेंचर्स ऑफ फेस वैल्यू 100 दैट इज 1 लाख. एंड टू सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम 10 रुपीज है प्रीमियम, सो 1000 इंटू 10 इज 10,000. And being 1000 debentures issued at premium will be your narration. Being 1000 debentures issued at premium, you can write the premium 10% premium. Okay. Now again entry number 3. Condition is give entries if debentures were issued at 12% discount. So what is the entry? You are paying Panna Limited. So vendors account debit, Panna Limited account debit. Panna Limited account debit. कितने से 1,10,000 देना है उसको. Now discount है 12%. Discount is expense or loss for the business. So debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. हमने रूल पढ़ा हुआ है. So discount on issue of debentures account debit. To 9% debentures account. And now we will calculate the number of debentures. Number of debentures is equal to purchase consideration divided by nominal value यदि प्रीमियम होता तो ऐड कर देती. दिस इज द केस ऑफ डिस्काउंट, सो सब्ट्रैक्टेड लेस डिस्काउंट. सो व्हाट इज द परचेज कंसिडरेशन 1,10,000, राइट. नॉमिनल वैल्यू 100 दैट इज फेस वैल्यू एंड व्हाट इज द डिस्काउंट 12% डिस्काउंट. सो 12% discount of 100 is 12. That is 1,10,000 divided by 88 and that comes up to 1,250 debentures. So your entry Panna Limited account debit to discount on issue of debentures. डिस्काउंट कितना है 12 रुपीज. शेयर्स कितना है 1250. So discount में 1250 debentures into 12 rupees. That comes up to 15,000. And to 9% debentures account, that is 1250 debentures into 100 rupees. That comes up to 1,25,000. That is, see, debit दो चीजें हो रही हैं. Take the total 1,10,000 and 15,000. That comes up to 1,25,000. In the credit, you have again 1,25,000. So you are correct. So this is how we do the entries when we issue the debentures other than cash.